enter a numeric value and a group name and limit of the data to be replicated, the size of the data, that is a number of records to be replicated. Then node ID, region, and then a limit of the records. So similarly, I create minimum 3 nodes are compulsory to create. So I create 3 nodes here, 2 in region 1 and 1 in region 2. Like this I create. So I have created with server, proxy server, and 3 nodes. So let me click on the node so I can get who are all the neighbors. So here are all the neighbors. I can enter the data from here. I can add some data to the info details. The data will be added from the node, will be stored here in the info details. So if I add a service, IOB, so I add records. So this will be inserted to the database where we can see the data will be increased here. So data catching we are going to check now. So there are two schemes, one is naive approach, one is random catch. So I first take the node P202, I apply ICICI, it's a bank. So I go for random catch. I have to give the node name, neighbor node name from which I have to get. So the query will be passed to the proxy server. So proxy server will give the response. So in the P202, so if the service not found, it will give the service not found. And these are all the data replicated from the node. And similarly, if I take the P201 node, I ask SBI, bank, naive approach. So when we click on this, we get 3 node data which is replicated. So I get the response from the SBI, State Bank of India. So if we have some address details, it will be there. So now we can check the data availability chart. So how many data are available? Delay analysis chart. How much is the delay for getting the data? So these are all random values only. So this is how we can make the approach. Thank you.